Hi there. Welcome to Easy English with Alicia. And today we are beginning a new series on adverbs of frequency. By the end of this video, you should be able to understand what adverbs of frequency are and how to use them. The best way that you can check out your understanding is by doing the quiz at the end of this class. So maybe you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your grammar skills. You've come to the right place. Let's go ahead and get started. Grab a notebook. So let's go ahead and look at the frequency scale to understand what these adverbs of frequency mean. Starting from 100, 100%. The adverb of frequency is always. Always. I always brush my teeth in the morning. Always. 100%. Next, 90%. We look at 90%. The adverb of frequency is usually. Usually. I usually eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Does that mean every single day? No. But the majority of the days. Like let's say you eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. But on the weekends, you have it a little later. You can still say, I usually have breakfast at 7 a.m. Let's look at the next one, 70%. 70%. And the adverb of frequency is often. Often. I often go to the gym. I often go to the gym. Okay, let's look at the next one, 50% of frequency. So half of the time. And this adverb of frequency is sometimes. Sometimes. I sometimes watch movies on the weekends. Does that mean every weekend? No. But about half of the weekends, you watch movies. Next is 30%. And the adverb of frequency is rarely. Rarely. I rarely eat fast food for dinner. Rarely. Something that doesn't happen often at all. Only 30% of the time. And the last one is going to be 0%, which equals never as the adverb of frequency. Never. So, I never smoke. Or, I never do a handstand. I'm not strong enough. So, we have always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. And by using this scale, this frequency scale, it can help us better understand each adverb of frequency. So, where do we put the adverb of frequency in a sentence? That's the tricky part. We know usually, sometimes, never, always, but where in the sentence does it belong? So for most verbs, the adverb of frequency goes before the main verb. Okay? As you see in this example, I always walk to school. Walk being the main verb. I always walk to school. Look at this example. He often plays football. He often plays football. One more example. I sometimes wash my car on the weekends. I sometimes wash my car on the weekends. Very good. But there's an exception to this rule. With the verb to be, it goes after the verb. So remember, the exception to the rule is the verb to be. And in those cases, the adverb of frequency goes after the verb. Just like in these examples here. I am always happy. I am always happy. Or this example, she is never late. She is never late. Pretty easy, right? Those are the two ways that we use the adverbs of frequency. Now, let's go ahead and focus on my favorite part, the pronunciation practice. So let's start pronouncing these adverbs of frequency. First one, always, always, always. Your turn. Very good. Next, usually, usually, usually. Give it a try. Very good. Next word, often, often, often. Very good. Next, sometimes, sometimes, sometimes. Give it a try. Very good. Next word, rarely, rarely, rarely. And the last one, never, never, never. Very good. Now I want you to try using them in a sentence, as you'll see in the examples on the screen. Go ahead and read the sentence. The sentence should sound like this. I usually go to bed at 9 p.m. Great job. Okay, let's try another sentence. Read the sentence. I sometimes drink soda. I sometimes drink soda. Very good. Great job. All right, it's time for a quick quiz. I'll say a sentence with a blank and you choose the correct adverb. Don't forget to pay attention to the percentages at the end of the sentence. Number 1, I drink water. Always. Good job. Number 2, she eats pizza. Rarely. Very good. Number 3, they go to the gym. Often. Good job. Number 4, he is late for class. Never. That's right. And the last question, number 5, we watch movies on weekends. Sometimes. That's right. Very good job.
Great job. How many questions did you get right? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you've enjoyed this class as much as I have enjoyed making it for you. And you did a great job. Keep on practicing. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching so much. I'm Alicia from Easy English with Alicia, and I hope this lesson today was easy for you. Take care.